The focus is on powerful women candidates this time around, pitched in the Royal Battle of 2024. My colleague Indrajit Kundu was on the campaign trail with expelled MP Mahua Moitra seeking re-election from Krishnanagar. Listen in and take a look at this report.
On the campaign trail with Mahua Moitra. Mahua, here in Krishnanagar, you're vying for a second term. And the ED and the CBI is looking for you. They're at your house in Krishnanagar, they're at your house in Kolkata. And now the ED has now, leveled money laundering charges against you.
Wonderful. Yes.
How are you going to take this fight? The fight here and the ED and the CBI?
As you can see, I'm fighting this. This is the important fight. I represent my people. I've done that for 5 years, and I'm going to do it again. And I'm doing my job. And the ED and the CBI are listening to Prime Minister Modi and doing their job. So like I said, let them do their job. I'll do mine. The people will decide.
Aren't you scared, intimidated?
Wow, I'm shaking in my boots. Can't you see? I'm running away. What can I say?
I saw you.
To a point where even my mother says, let them come, I'll take them on.
I was coming to that. Your mother says that she is going to take on the mantle if they put you behind the bars. Is there a real threat of you being arrested?
I have no idea. Like I said, to be expelled under this government was a badge of honor. And in future, whatever they do to me, if we are one of the few voices that are standing up in this time when democracy is in peril. So anything that I do is going to be, anything that I'm being put through is going to be, I think, a badge of honor, because we're the few that have stood up against these fascist bigots.
Fear is real, you know.
It's not fear. It's not fear. We are not fearing. It's the BJP who are scared of us. They have a majority of 303. They say, "Apke bar 400 par." So if they have got indeed so sure of winning 400 seats, why are you picking up 2 sitting chief ministers? Why are you sending, on the basis of some rubbish complaint, sending people to my house? We don't care. We are standing up. It's the BJP who are scared.
You know, this has become one of the high-profile seats now. The Prime Minister comes to Bengal. He chooses Krishnanagar to campaign.
He loves me. He loves me. He loves me. I'm very thankful for the love and affection he bestows upon me. And he's only come once before MCC. And I'm really hoping he comes at least twice more before the elections.
The Rani Ma, Amrita Roy, the BJP candidate, she has said that, her family fought with the Brits because they were trying to save Hindutva and the Hindus.
I would
historical controversy.
Like I said, I feel sorry. I feel sorry because sometimes when you have people who are not from the political field and they come in and they open their mouth only to put their foot in it. So this is something that the BJP's got to handle, and I wish them good luck. But try and convince the people of Bengal that Mir Jafar was the real hero. I wish her good luck with that.
And Sandesh Khali seems to be the main plank for the BJP. Do you think that will have any bearing on how women vote in Bengal this time?
Look, Calcutta is year on year one of the safest cities. Bengal is, I would say, one of the top 3 safest places in India for women. The number of people that have been benefited, the number of women that have been benefited by Mamata Banerjee's schemes, especially the Lakshmi Bhandar scheme, Lakshmi Bhandar, where everyone, irrespective of caste or creed or economic status, between the ages of 25 and 60, are getting 1,000 rupees a month, plus SC/ST families are getting 1,200 rupees a month. And as far as Sandesh Khali is concerned, this is something that the Godi media created and they sold to the rest of India. Nobody in Bengal is buying it. I have a rural constituency.
Serious allegations of rape and gang.
So let the charges be proved. Let the charges be proven. There's no problem. After 2021 elections, the BJP said there were thousands of cases in gang rape in Bengal. They set up special investigation teams. How many people have been convicted? And this story doesn't fly. So Sandesh Khali is something that the national media is convinced about and are peddling to the rest of India. It's not something that women in Bengal are particularly bothered about.
So the heat is getting the better of Mahua Moitra?
No, the heat's not getting. I always thrive under pressure, so it's been good for me.
Good luck to Mahua Moitra there in Krishnanagar. Of course, always as feisty as she has been on the floor of the House. The test is now in the court of the people. With camera person Tapas Baidi, Indrajit for India Today in Krishnanagar.
A very, very confident Mahua Moitra there campaigning and saying that she isn't afraid of the Enforcement Directorate.